Want to grow multiple brands with social media tools? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. No fluff, just the key steps you need to know to make it happen. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to streamline your social media management across multiple brands, saving you time and effort. So here's the deal. Growing multiple brands means managing multiple social media accounts. And doing that manually, it's a nightmare. But with the right social media tools, you can schedule posts, track analytics, and engage with your audience, all in one place. The best part? These tools are made to scale, so they're perfect for managing more than one brand without getting overwhelmed. First off, the tool you choose needs to offer multi-account management. That's key if you're running several brands. With our software, for example, you can easily connect and manage multiple social media accounts from one dashboard. No more logging in and out of accounts or switching tabs. Everything you need is right there. Next, automation is your best friend. You don't want to be posting manually every day. Look for scheduling features that let you queue posts ahead of time. This way, you can plan your content for the whole week or even the whole month, saving you hours every single week. You can schedule your posts across different social media platforms and make sure each brand stays active, even when you're focused on other tasks. Analytics is another crucial part. With our software, you can track how your posts are performing across all your brands from a single dashboard. You'll be able to see engagement rates, follower growth, and other important metrics. This lets you adjust your strategy quickly and ensure you're not wasting time on content that's not driving results. Another great feature is the ability to engage with your audience directly from the tool. Responding to comments and messages across different accounts can get messy, but our software centralizes all those interactions. Whether you're replying to a tweet, comment, or message on Facebook, everything is in one spot. This helps you stay on top of your community engagement, which is key for growing a loyal following across multiple brands. Finally, use the tool's collaboration features. If you have a team, you'll need to work together on content creation, scheduling, and strategy. Our software allows multiple team members to collaborate seamlessly. You can assign tasks, approve posts, and make edits all from within the same platform, making team coordination easy. Before I wrap this up, I want to remind you that the software we're using today has an exclusive free trial for my viewers. It's the same tool I trust to manage multiple brands. You can find the link to the free trial in the description below. Don't miss out. Key takeaway: using social media tools is the only way to effectively manage multiple brands without burning out. Choose a tool that offers multi-account management, automation, in-depth analytics, audience engagement, and team collaboration. To recap, get the right social media tool, automate your posts, track your performance, engage with your audience, and collaborate with your team. Make your social media management effortless and scale your brands like a pro. And don't forget, grab your exclusive free trial below. Thanks for watching.